welcome to Butte Forge. Today I'm going to show you how I hammer texture the steel with the power hammer. So what I've got is our hammer that we use. I've got some flat dies on the top. I've created my own bottom die that's extra large. And then underneath here is I've got that hammer texture, as you can see. See if you can kind of get that. Can you kind of see it? Now, let's see. There it is. That's a little bit better. Anyway, there's a bunch of hammer faces underneath that. So what we've got is a saddle. I can lock these slap spring dies on here. Lock them down. I use the chain and a ring, or whatever you need for weight, but that chain keeps it from slapping out of control. When you make these dies, this is what makes this dangerous, ladies and gentlemen, is that this is where the breakage happens. So you always have to be ready. I've found that over the years that by adding some weight, you could keep that breakage to a minimum. You can get a lot of square footage textured before it breaks. So, something you got to pay attention to, because when that die falls off, you want to back off the treadle immediately. Otherwise, the thing could fly out of there in a weird way. Okay. So, what I'm going to do, now you kind of see how I've constructed this. Everything's welded, by the way, with 110/18. Rule of thumb. Even these welds right here is 110/18. What this is made out of is if you look at the cross shape, that's a semi-truck leaf spring. Took a long time to die grind all those hammer faces in it, but I've done a lot of square footage with this. All right, so I'm going to put the camera in the steady rest, and I'll film a few pieces, and we'll show you what it looks like here in less than 5 minutes. Here we go. So as you see, it's not bad. Puts a nice hammer finish on it for you. And the key is simply move that thing around as much as you can. These little areas like that little dinger, you just kind of hammer that out over the anvil and fix that. I like to doctor the edge anyways and kind of run a dimple line all the way across anyway. So anyways, thanks for tuning in to Butte Forge. We're right about 5 minutes here. Have a good one. Remember, press like, share, tell all your buddies, and tune in as I come up with more projects to show you guys how I do it. Thanks for watching.